Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about ways to achieve financial freedom. Today's topic is all about the importance of making extra income and how it can serve as a safety net during financial ups and downs. First off, the world is changing rapidly, and the job market is becoming more and more competitive with artificial intelligence. It's not uncommon for people to work multiple jobs or side hustles just to make ends meet. In fact, according to a recent study, almost half of Americans have a side hustle. But beyond that, today's economy is unpredictable. We've seen stock market crashes in bank systems as well, job losses, and economic recessions in recent years and nowadays. And while we can't predict the future, we can prepare for it. Having that extra income can give you a safety net during tough times and help you weather any financial storms that come your way. Plus, making extra income can also help you achieve your financial goals faster. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a down payment on a house, or invest in your retirement, having that extra cash flow can make a huge difference. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but I don't have any extra time. Trust me, I get it. We're all busy. But the good news is, there are opportunities out there to make extra money that don't require a ton of time or effort, but you must be commitment to do the work. I know you have already heard about e-commerce. That's worth mention again. This is a popular business model that allows you to sell products without having to hold any inventory. Essentially, you set up a website or online store and list products that are sourced from a supplier. I have one more great news, it can be already done and ready there for you, and you no need create website or store. Just dive in to explore the market. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, and you keep the profit. In conclusion, e-commerce is an important area to consider when it comes to making extra income. From selling items on established platforms to starting your own e-commerce business, there are plenty of opportunities to explore. It may take some time and effort to find the right strategy that works for you. But with persistence and determination, you can achieve your financial goals and build a brighter future. Don't be afraid to dive in and start exploring the possibilities. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more financial tips and tricks. Until next time.